Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about powers of 10 that are raised to another power. So, for example, if I have a power of 10, let's say 10 to the third, and I raise that power, right, to another power, let's say to the second. Okay, so there's another rule or law or property of exponents that deals with powers raised to another power. Okay, so we're going to just, in the special case, we're going to use the fact that we have a base of 10. Okay, so what do we do here? Well, the rule says that we're going to take the exponents and we multiply them. We call this also, some textbooks call this the power rule for exponents. Okay, and there are different power rules. This is one of them. Okay. But the rule basically says that if I have a power raised to another power, we multiply the exponents. Okay? And so, this would equal 10 to the 3 times 2 power. Which would be 10 to the 6th. Now, we could use the other property of exponents too, because remember, all we have to do is use the definition of an exponent. So what does 10 to the third to the second power mean? Well, this just means I'm taking 10 to the third power times itself twice, right? And so what does the other rule of exponents talk about? Well, if we multiply powers of 10, what do? We add the exponents. So this is going to be 10 to the third plus third, which equals 10 to the sixth. We get the same thing. Okay? And if you really want to expand it out, we could write it this way. Well, what does 10 to the third mean? Well, it means 10 times 10 times 10, right? And this one equals 10 times 10 times 10. And how many 10s are we multiplying? 6. Okay, so we could break it down further and get the same answer by just using the definition of an exponent. So the purpose of this video is, again, just to show you that, hey, if you have a power of 10 raised to another power, you take the exponents and you multiply them to get your final answer. Okay? So that's the rule. And so next we'll do some more examples.